If you are an OFW who wanted to invest in real estate, and this video is just for you. My name is Vince, real estate salesperson here in the Philippines, and I'm more than happy to discuss with you um, yung mga opportunities dito. So this video is actually being related to the previous video that I have posted sa Facebook and across of my social media platforms. So I'm going to show it to you first, guys. This video, by the way, again, is related to pre-selling. Um, so I just wanted to give a shout out first to my boss. Her name is Leslie Gonzaga. This illustration was actually being created by her. So, itong video na to guys, itong illustration na to guys, papakita ko lang sa inyo. So, itong specific na project na to is actually house and lot. So, this is amounting to 1.7 nung pre-selling pa siya. Ongoing construction, it's gonna be 3.4. And nung ready for occupancy na siya or pwede na siyang lipatan, is actually amounting to 4.5 na siya. So, meron kasi mga ibang investors or merong mga ibang buyers or clients na gusto nilang bilhin yung bahay na cash. So, kung sinasabi nyo na parang pag-iipunan ko pa siya, bibilhin ko na lang siya ng cash. So guys, I wanted to give a heads up that nung pre-selling pa siya, nung price na binibenta pa siya is mura pa lang siya. Like, it's affordable pa lang siya. So, by the time na nakaipon ka na ng 1.7, yung 1.7 na naipon mo, hindi na siya pasok sa budget kasi yung bahay, mahal na siya. It's gonna be 4.5 na siya. So, at saka yung pre-selling kasi kagandahan nito, aside na affordable pa siya, meron pa siyang installment plan na pasok sa budget nyo na pwede nyo i-avail. Kasi yung iba kasi parang namamahalan sila or ano kasi parang hindi lang yata sila na educate ng tama na uy meron palang um, installment plan na pwede kong i-avail. So this method is actually applicable din sa condo. So again, this video is actually being related to the previous video that I have posted across my social media accounts. So, ito yung project guys. This condo is actually features high ceiling, smart na din yung entrance lock. Meron din siyang smart camera, common area for theater, daycare, jogging path, at saka lodge. Kasi yung iba kasi mga project, it's very seldom for them to have all of these features. Kaya ito yung pinaka-highlight ko. At saka ito din yung bali, kung sa baga bago siya dito sa CDO. Meron din tong swimming pool. Papakita ko lang kung ano yung deliverable unit niya, yung exact unit na pag turnover sa property na to. So ito yun guys, high ceiling siya. At saka ito din yung entrance. 'Di ba sobrang ganda? Tsaka meron na din siyang balcony. Kagandahan pa nito naka-separate pa yung water closet at saka yung shower room. So, I'm going to show it to you kung ano yung itsura niya sa labas. So it's gonna be 4 buildings. Ito yung sa building A, B, C, and D. So, pwede itong gayahin kung gusto niyo siyang i-business. 'Di ba? Sobrang ganda. Kagandahan nito is pwede niyo siyang i-bunk bed kasi high ceiling siya, guys. Sobrang ganda talaga. Tsaka kagandahan pa nito is 35 minutes away lang siya sa airport. pag hindi peak hours. Kapag peak hours, it's gonna be 35 minutes to 47 minutes. So these are the amenities. Co-working space. If you're a virtual assistant, then this feature is actually, or a student, or if you're working from home, garden area, daycare, and these are the accessible establishments around the area. So imagine, with the initial investment of 10,000 for the reservation and 5,000 for the monthly equity, you can have all of this. 'Di ba? And you can earn 50,000 to 60,000 a month for your gross income. Sobrang ganda talaga nito. I'm actually more than happy to discuss with you the payment plan or the sample computation na pasok sa budget nyo for this specific project. And if you wanted to learn more about this specific project, you can actually contact my number. It's gonna be 092777888680, or you can actually go to my official landing page. You just have to go to my profile and click on the link, and you can and you should see all of my social media accounts para updated naman kayo, or isa nyo to guys sa gustong mag-invest sa real estate. And bye bye, thank you so much.